Well, today I'm cooking wings. This is one of our favorites to cook. And the bag of wings that I have here is a 3-pound bag, but I have done a 4-pound bag of wings in the same Ninja Foodie, which is a 6.5 quart pot. I just tossed them directly into the pot, and they were frozen, so they came directly right out of the freezer. I'm going to cook, I want to do pressure cook on high, and I'm going to do it for 5 minutes. And then I'm going to hit start. There we go. So I put a half a cup of water in the wings at the bottom of the basket, and I started my pressure cooking. So now the wings are going to cook for 5 minutes once they reach pressure, and then I'm going to let them rest a bit, and then I'll let the release out, and then I'm going to air fry. Simple as that. For these wings, what I'm going to do is just mix some of the hot sauce here with some store-bought barbecue sauce to spice it up, to make it a little bit hot for hot wings. And here it is after 4 minutes, and I released the pressure, did a quick release. Now I'm going to toss it with the barbecue sauce and hot wing sauce and air crisp the wings to finish. Total air crisp time will probably be about 15 minutes. Just enough to crisp the entire basket. I'm going to do it in intervals of about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to shake the basket and then add a little bit more sauce, and then shake the basket and add a little bit more sauce for the last 5 minutes. I just added some sauce on top, and then I shook the basket, and now I'm going to add a little bit more on top and then turn my air crisper on. And here it is with the top, the sauce is on top. I just sprinkled it on lightly. Now I'm going to turn my air crisper on. Close the lid, the air crisper lid, select air crisp, and I'm going to do 15, but like I said, I'm going to check it in between and coat it as needed. And we're air crisping our wings now. They're amazing and crispy. After the first 5 minutes, I then just added more sauce and closed the lid and let them be for 10 minutes, and there you have it. Massive, crispy, amazing, yummy, crispy wings.